Small air fryers have come a long way, and the latest best 2-quart air fryer models prove that compact doesn't mean compromise. These little machines deliver crispy, golden results with the same flavor and texture as full-size ones, just faster and more efficient. In this video, we're checking out the best 2-quart air fryer options on the market right now, each one tested for performance, reliability, and ease of use. By the way, if you already use a small air fryer at home, I'm honestly super interested to hear which one you have and how it's been working for you, so let me know down in the comments. Let's begin with the Chefman TurboFry 2-quart air fryer, a model that has earned its reputation for combining sleek design with impressive cooking power. When you first use it, you'll notice the simplicity of the dual knob controls, one for temperature, one for time, making it intuitive even for first-time users. The temperature range spans from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to tackle everything from crispy fries to tender chicken bites. Its 1,000-watt power output ensures rapid heating, so you can start cooking almost immediately without waiting for a long preheat. The Chefman's design feels modern and minimalistic, with a matte black finish that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The 2-quart basket is coated with a durable non-stick layer, allowing food to slide out effortlessly after cooking. You'll appreciate how lightweight it feels, yet how sturdy it is in operation. The cool touch exterior and handle make it safe to use even when cooking at high temperatures, and the compact size means it fits neatly on small countertops or in dorm rooms without sacrificing performance. When you start cooking, the Chefman's rapid air circulation technology gets to work, enveloping your food in a swirl of hot air that crisps every surface evenly. You'll hear a gentle hum as it operates. Quiet enough not to disturb conversation, and when you open the basket, you're greeted by the aroma of perfectly browned food. The results are consistently satisfying: fries with a golden crunch, nuggets that stay juicy inside, and vegetables that caramelize beautifully. Cleanup is effortless too. The basket and tray are both dishwasher safe, so you can go from cooking to relaxing in minutes. You'll also appreciate how energy efficient the Chefman TurboFry is. Because of its compact size and fast heating system, it uses less power than larger models while still delivering the same crisp results. It's ideal for quick weeknight dinners, late night snacks, or small portion cooking when you don't want to heat up your full-sized oven. The consistent airflow ensures your food cooks evenly without flipping or shaking, and the results speak for themselves: crispy, flavorful, and perfectly cooked every time. It's the kind of appliance that quietly becomes part of your daily routine, making healthy, delicious cooking effortless. If you're comparing models in your own 2-quart air fryer reviews, this one stands out for its simplicity and reliability. Now, moving on to the Elite Gourmet EAF2612D, personal 2.1-quart air fryer. This model brings a touch of modern digital precision to the compact air fryer category. Right away, you'll notice the bright LED display and responsive touch controls that make it easy to set your cooking time and temperature. With a temperature range from 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit and a programmable timer up to 60 minutes, you can tailor your cooking to suit almost any dish. The 2.1-quart capacity is ideal for small households, allowing you to cook just the right amount without waste. As you use the Elite Gourmet, you'll quickly appreciate its even heat distribution, powered by rapid air circulation technology that ensures consistent results every time. The digital interface gives you precise control so you can fine-tune your cooking for delicate pastries or hearty proteins alike. The non-stick basket and pan are both removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup incredibly convenient. You'll also notice how quickly it preheats. Within minutes, it's ready to go, saving you time when you're hungry and in a hurry. The construction feels solid, and the design is both functional and stylish. The compact footprint makes it easy to store, yet it looks sharp enough to leave out on the counter. The automatic shutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety, giving you peace of mind if you get distracted during cooking. You'll love how quietly it operates. and the digital countdown timer means you can walk away and return to perfectly cooked food without worrying about overcooking. When you open the basket after cooking, you'll be met with the satisfying sight of evenly browned food and the aroma of freshly air-fried goodness. Whether you're making crispy zucchini fries, golden shrimp, or a quick batch of roasted potatoes, the Elite Gourmet delivers excellent texture and flavor every time. It's a perfect fit for anyone looking for a model that consistently earns praise in 2-quart air fryer reviews for its digital precision and compact design. And actually, I'm genuinely curious, do you prefer manual dial air fryers or digital ones like this? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to see which style most people lean toward. Next, we have the Dash Compact Air Fryer 2-quart, a model that's as visually appealing as it is effective. Available in a range of cheerful colors, it instantly adds personality to your kitchen while delivering impressive cooking performance. The Dash Compact uses a powerful 1000-watt heating element to reach temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and its manual dial controls make operation refreshingly simple. The 2-quart capacity is perfect for single servings or small portions, giving you the flexibility to cook quickly without wasting food or energy. When you start cooking with the Dash, you'll notice how evenly it crisps your food thanks to its air crisp technology, which uses rapid air circulation to cook with little to no oil. This means you can enjoy the same satisfying crunch of fried food with up to 75% less fat. The nonstick basket ensures that food releases effortlessly, and the cool touch handle keeps your hands safe as you remove your meal. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs, and because it's lightweight, you can easily move it or store it when not in use. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is also remarkably consistent. Whether you're cooking frozen snacks or fresh vegetables, the results are golden, crisp, and evenly cooked throughout. The timer automatically shuts off when cooking is complete, so you never have to worry about burning your food. You'll love the simplicity of setting it and walking away, knowing that your meal will be ready in minutes. When you open the basket, the aroma of freshly cooked food fills the air. Crispy fries, crunchy onion rings, or even baked goods like muffins or donuts. The texture is light and crisp, and the flavor is rich without being greasy. It's a small but mighty machine that makes healthy cooking easy and enjoyable, proving why it's often mentioned in 2-quart air fryer review videos and articles as one of the most user-friendly models available. Now, let's move to the Instant Pot Vortex 2-quart mini air fryer, a compact powerhouse that combines smart technology with versatility. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek design and bright digital display, which gives it a premium feel. With a temperature range from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a 1,300-watt heating system, it heats up quickly and cooks evenly. The one-touch control panel offers customizable programs for air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, making it one of the most versatile models in its class. When you use the Instant Vortex Mini, you'll appreciate how its even crisp technology circulates hot air around your food for a perfectly golden finish every time. The results are consistently crisp on the outside and tender inside, whether you're cooking fries, wings, or vegetables. The nonstick basket and tray are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and easy. You'll also find that it's remarkably quiet during operation, adding to its appeal for small living spaces. The build quality feels solid and refined, and the compact design fits neatly on your countertop without taking up much room. The digital interface is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to adjust settings with just a tap. Because of its efficient heating system, preheating takes only a minute or two, so you can start cooking almost instantly. The automatic shutoff and overheat protection features make it safe and reliable for everyday use. When you open the basket after cooking, your food looks and smells incredible, crispy, evenly browned, and full of flavor. You'll love how easy it is to experiment with different recipes, from roasted chickpeas to mini desserts, all with consistent results. It's no surprise that this model often ranks high in Quart air fryer reviews for its smart features and dependable performance. Finally, we come to the Ninja AF080 Mini Air Fryer, widely regarded as one of the best 2-quart air fryer options available today. You'll notice its build quality immediately. It feels sturdy and well-engineered, with a simple yet effective single control dial that makes operation effortless. You can set the temperature anywhere between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the timer up to 60 minutes, giving you complete control over your cooking. With a 1000-watt heating element, it preheats quickly and cooks food evenly every time. When you use the Ninja AF080, you'll experience just how efficient it is. The powerful convection fan circulates hot air rapidly, ensuring that every piece of food is evenly crisped. The 2-quart nonstick basket is perfect for small meals or side dishes and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The compact size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited space, yet it never feels underpowered. You'll love how quickly it gets to work. Within seconds, it's ready to cook, and within minutes, you'll have perfectly crisp, golden results. The cool touch handle and automatic shutoff add safety and convenience, while the minimalist design blends seamlessly into any kitchen. It's quiet, efficient, and incredibly reliable, making it a staple appliance for quick, delicious meals. When you open the basket, you're greeted by the irresistible scent of freshly air-fried food, crispy fries, tender chicken, or roasted vegetables that are perfectly brown and flavorful. The texture is light yet satisfying, and the results are consistent every time you use it. It's frequently featured in 2-quart air fryer reviews for its dependability, ease of use, and compact design that doesn't compromise on performance. And before we wrap up, I'm genuinely curious, which of these air fryers do you think fits your lifestyle best? Let me know in the comments because I really love to hear what you're leaning toward. If you're looking to make cooking faster, healthier, and easier, any of these compact air fryers would be a great choice. Each one offers its own strengths, from digital precision to simple dial control, and they all deliver that perfect crispy finish every time. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more honest kitchen gear breakdowns just like this one.